What makes my dad a great father is he always puts family first. Mula bata ako, lagi siyang nandyan. Lagi kaming sinusuportahan sa endeavors. Lagi kaming ini-encourage kapag meron kaming bagong sinusunod challenges. At hanggang ngayon, nandun pa rin siya. He is a constant presence. And a wise old man. He's old. So, talaga. And in the family, actually, siya ang very nurturing. Doon namin nakuha yung ganong side ng aming personality. Dad joke, hindi ko nento ng dad ko per se, pero influenced by him. The only thing that comes to mind is, ano ang pinakamabigat na tinapay?
Ano po yun, sir?
Hop! Yeah! Last track, please. Best piece of advice, I learned to be patient and to be considerate because of my dad. Also, to be nurturing to the people around me, to the people that are important to me, mga friends, family, and loved ones. And of course, siya rin na nagturo sa akin to believe in myself. Minsan, naunahan tayo ng self-doubt, pero sabi ng airpads ko, ng papa ko na kailangan maniwala ka na kaya mong gawin and then work hard to do it because that is more than 50% of the battle. Sa aking airpads, maraming salamat for all the hard work, the sacrifice to support our dreams. And if it weren't for you, hindi namin maabot yung aming mga naabot ngayon. And we are so very thankful for your presence, and we know that we can always rely on you. So thank you for being the support that we need, and we love you very much.